because of the two losses concurrent and so close together, of course my current insurance had to let me go. So then I had to look for other insurances, and it was tough out there. A lot of the insurance companies wanted to more than double the cost of my insurance. Some were triple the cost of what I'd been paying. But I found someone who was really willing to work with me. I was able to go to Farm Bureau, spoke with Scott Chappell, my agent, and he was able to give me the same insurance coverage I had. Cover the home for the same cost that I'd had with my previous company, and the cost of my insurance raised basically $90. I was very impressed with that, and so I'm excited to be able to have that coverage, even though I just had these two major events. Working with Scott was really great. Scott was concerned about the issues that I'd had and how he could best take care of them without cutting my insurance so low that I really didn't have the coverage I needed. So he called back, asked questions, found out the information, and he did a really great job for me. And the great part was that instead of making me a lot of promises, and then when I sat down with him to sign paperwork, him not having it in place like it was meant to be, he made sure that things were in place and that everything was correct, and I was going to get the amount of coverage that we had talked about. Most definitely, I would refer Scott to my friends, my family. In fact, I've been talking to my children about going over and seeing Scott and letting him run some different quotes and stuff for them, because I was just so impressed with what he was able to do for me. Out of all of the companies, and I did check with about 6 different companies, Scott's company and himself were absolutely the best.